Hi, this is Vizzy Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix blurry photo. Before you get started, forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Photos can become blurry due to the slow shutter speed causing camera shake or motion blur when the camera or subject move or poor focus where the camera isn't set to focus on the correct point. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix it. To fix your blurry photo, you can use application. You can search on your App Store or Play Store. The application name is Wink. Now, after you install it on your phone, you can tap on OK, open. Because we want to fix the blurry from our photo, there is an option image quality. You can just tap on that. Now you can try it. You can choose you want to make your picture HD, Ultra HD, Portrait, UHD. Yeah, UHD. For the example, we'll just choose on Ultra HD. You can try it now. Now you can choose on the picture that you want to fix. This one, for example. Tap on Start. We can wait until the process is 100%. Now we have done. You can see the difference. On the left is before and the right is after. Now left is still blurry and on the right is more. You can see. You can zoom it. More HD. It's so cool, right? It's very simple and it's free. You can also enable intensity if you want to. And after you finish, we can just save it in your phone by tap on the upper right corner here. Save. Now you have saved it on your phone. It's very simple, right? So that is how to fix blurry image on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!